Alright, as requested, this is a disassembly video for the Winchester Model 61. To start, make sure we're clear, nothing in the magazine tube, nothing in the chamber, action is open. We can go ahead and close that. The first step is going to be loosening this captive screw. Then pull it out a little bit, and then the lower section, the trigger and the buttstock, comes with it. To get the bolt out, there's a couple channels on the inside that the bolt rides in. And the bolt will just lift up. Sorry, correction. There's a little spring you gotta depress before you can lift the bolt up and out. Which is kind of tricky to do. So, you got to depress a little spring, then you pull the bolt forward a little bit following the cam, and then you lift it up and you should be able to slide it out the rear. So this is your whole bolt assembly, complete with the ejector, extractor, firing pin, and all that. To reassemble, you're going to slide the bolt in through the channel on the rear. There's your channel right there. Sorry about the sump pump. We're going to put it inside the cam tracks, push it down underneath the spring, bring it forward, then with the stock and the trigger guard, you slide it in, put the screw back in, the captive takedown screw, and that's that. This is by far the most accurate 22 I own. I refinished this a year ago with some PermaBlue. It's a cold bluing solution. If I had to do this again, I would actually spend the time doing hot bluing. The cold bluing just doesn't hold up very well to use. So this is chambered in 22 short, long, or long rifle. I've mostly been shooting high velocity and standard velocity long rifle out of this. And the thing's like bloody laser. At 50 yards I can hit a 2-inch diameter steel swinger, unsupported with the iron sights only. And yeah, point of aim, point of impact's the same. If you ever see one of these, I would actually pick one up again. Worth it. They're not as popular as, say, your Ruger 1022s, your Marlin Model 60s, and all that, but as far as the fun factor, this has it. With the accuracy, with the portability. The stock is, I would say, young adult sized to adult sized. Yeah, mine is not tapped at all for any scopes. This will not be tapped for any scopes. I'll have to get some range footage for you guys. Anyways, thanks for watching. Sorry about the sub pump noise. With all the recent snow melt, the ground's pretty saturated, and this is all clay in this area, so it won't be draining anytime soon. Bye, and thank you for watching.